Today, I'm going to give you a tour of the console. I'm going to log into the console using my registered email address. If you have not registered yet, you can do that easily using this Create Account button right here. So I'll type in my email address and my password and hit sign in. Once I log in, I can see my dashboard. Currently, it is empty, and this is because I've not deployed any of my models yet. And now let's come back to the dashboard later when I deploy a model. With the console, you can either deploy a pre-trained model or train your own AI model. First, let's look at the pre-trained models. To view the list of pre-trained models that we have made available to you, you can go to Manage AI Models menu in the navigation panel. Under pre-trained public models, you can find all the available pre-trained models that are ready to use. Using the pre-trained models, you can build an SDK for your targeted platform and deploy it to your device. To do that, you can simply choose a model, select the platform for which you want to build, and click Build SDK. Now, once the SDK build is complete, you can download and deploy it to your device. The console allows you to train your custom models. To train any AI model, you need data. So in the console, we have preloaded some public datasets for you to start training your own AI models. If you go to Manage Datasets from the navigation menu, you can view a list of the public datasets that we have made available to you. So under preloaded public datasets, you can view all the public datasets that we have preloaded in the console. If you have your own dataset, you can also upload it to the console. To upload a new dataset, go to Add New Datasets, choose the dataset, and click Upload. The dataset has successfully been uploaded. Now, once the data is uploaded, I can now upload a label file for the dataset. So to do that, you can click Upload Labels, and it will take me to this page. Now here, the label file must be a CSV file in a particular format. For more details and example, you can click on this Help button right here. This shows you the sample label format. I've already prepared my label file in the correct format, so I'll go ahead and upload it. The label file has successfully been uploaded. When the label file upload is complete, you will then get redirected to the Manage Datasets page where your dataset is currently getting sanity checked before it becomes available. This can take a few minutes. Refresh the page if it takes longer than 20 minutes. The sanity check passed with partial success. This happens when the console detected some images that did not have labels and vice versa, which is acceptable since this means that the rest have corresponding labels. So in this case, we need to acknowledge the error and can manually approve the dataset by clicking the Approve button. My dataset is now ready to train. To train your custom model, go to Train New AI Model. The first step is to choose your dataset. You can either use the preloaded public dataset or select your custom dataset. To train your model, select one or combine multiple datasets. You can either train on all classes or train on subset of the classes. Enter the model name. Select speed versus accuracy, 1 being the fastest and best for large objects with simple background, and 5 being the slowest but best for small objects with a complex background. And begin the training. The training has begun. You can check the status of the model from Manage AI Models. Here we can see that the model that we just left to train is currently in progress. This might take from an hour to a few hours depending on the size of your dataset and the training configuration that you've selected. So you can go for a walk, grab coffee or a bite to eat while the console is taking care of the training. Now once the model is trained, you will be notified via email. Now I'm going to go have lunch while my model is being trained. I'm back and it looks like the training has completed successfully. Now before deploying my model, I want to evaluate it to see if it is performing good or if I need to retrain it with more data or a different configuration. Now with the console, there are 2 ways of evaluating a model. The first is to see its performance in held out images from the dataset that I used to train the model. Now to do that, you can click on the model and scroll down to see the evaluation results. So I can click on the image and see it in more detail. So red is the bounding box for prediction and green is the bounding box for ground truth. After looking at a couple of images, I'm happy with the performance on the held out images. Now I want to see how it performs on a wild video for my use case. So that's the second way to evaluating a model using the console. So to do that, I will go up, select the model and click on this upload video icon right here. This will take me to a new page. Now, if I have already uploaded a video previously, it will appear here. Now I can choose that and process the video, or I can upload a new video. Now I'm going to upload a new video. You can choose the video. I downloaded this car's video from Pixabay. It says that the video name should be without space or special character. Okay, I'll edit the name and upload. The upload is completed. Now I can select the video and process it. The videos that are currently in progress will appear in this list. Now once the video is completed, it will appear in this list. Now this might take a couple of minutes. The video processing is completed. Now I can see it in the videos with predictions list. I can click this button to view the processed video right here in the browser. I don't even have to deploy it. So let's do that. Now, once I'm happy with the performance of the model on the wild video, I can deploy it. If not, I can go back and train another model. Now, when I'm happy with the model and I want to deploy it, I can build an SDK for the targeted device. So to do that, I will go back to Manage AI Models, select the model that I want to deploy, and click this button to build the SDK. Select the target device and click Build. Now the build process has started and I will be notified via email when the build is completed. The SDK build for my model has completed successfully. Now I can download it and install it on my device. To do that, I can simply click this button right here to download the SDK. And it's done. With the console, you can monitor your deployed AI models. You can view the models you have deployed, the device that you have installed the model in, and the frame counts that you've used. Now, to do that, go to Dashboard from the navigation menu on the left. Now, once you install a model on a device successfully, it will be listed on this page. So currently I have installed the SDK on 2 different devices. Now, and when I start using the SDK, I can see which model I have used and the frame counts for it.